Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to clear out Amazon Kindle history. Clearing your Amazon Kindle history involves removing books or contents from your Kindle library or managing your search history on the Kindle device or app. First of all, open your Kindle application on your mobile device and make sure to log into your account. In the first home page, you will see a list of all your Kindle books and other digital content. From your library section, select one of the content you would like to delete and press and hold to it. Once you press and hold to a book, you will be able to see a pop-up where you can simply tap on Permanently Delete. Click the Delete button once again to delete the book from your Kindle library. If you want to clear from the search history, then all you need to do is to get to the main home page and go to the search bar at the top. You will then be able to see all of the searches that you've made under recent searches. Click on the cross icon right next to the search in order to clear out the search history. If there are multiple searches and if you'd like to clear them out all at once, simply tap on Clear All at the top right, and this will clear out your search history on Kindle devices. So that is how you can easily clear out Amazon Kindle history in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.